Term and examination June 2022. Course code BBYCT 137. Maximum marks 100. Note: attempt all questions. The mark of each questions are indicated against it. Define the following: symblastic pathway, diffusion, imbibition, osmosis, hypertonic solution, semi-permeable membrane, aquaporins, embolism, lenticular transpiration, stomatal frequency. Discuss the criteria of essentiality of a mineral nutrient. Describe the process of transport of ions across the plasma membrane. Describe the structure of photosynthetic pigment CHLA. Describe the non-cyclic and cyclic photophosphorylation. Z. Scheme with a type of a outline diagram. Describe the passive symblastic phloem holding. Differentiate between photorespiration and dark respiration. Describe Krebs cycle, TCA cycle with a labeled diagram. Describe the pentose phosphate pathway with diagram. Discuss genetic regulation of nitrogen fixation. List various plant hormones and describe their functions. Describe structure of a phytochrome, the properties, and describe the phytochrome mediated responses. Discuss the ways the plants adapt to stress. Write short notes on allosteric enzymes, respiratory quotient, gifted species, synthetic growth hormones, flowering hormones.